Hello, myself Pulkit and you are watching PULKIT.PY. So in this tutorial I will teach you how you can start learning Python. So what are some books that you want to purchase for learning Python, or what are some websites that provide free tutorials for learning Python, how you can download and install Python, and how you can run your first program using Python. So without wasting our time, let's start the video. So guys, first of all we have to focus on that where we can download Python, how to install Python, and how we can learn Python. So the first question is how to download Python. So first, yes, you have to do like go to Google and write download Python. So the first link will appear on the top, download Python, python.org. Click on the link and you can download Python from here. You can download 3.8, and if you want to download the older version, you can check it here. You can download from it here, and so I don't download here because Python is already installed on my computer. So I will this is how that Python will install. Just you have to click on the first link, install now, and I will cancel it because it already installed my system. And that's how you can install Python. And after installing Python, what you have to do, just type IDLE idle. So you can check here that idle is installed my computer, and to check if the Python is correct, is working properly or not, just here write print hello. You can check that it will print hello. And the best part of Python is if you want to calculate two number of digits, you can just write print 4 in plus 5. This is the best part of the Python that you can use. So if you use in modules, so you can click on file and new, and here you can write print hello. And if we run, it was asking for save, and I will send desktop test.py. so the extension of Python is py. You can check, it will print hello. So that's how you can download, install, and run Python on your system. Now the next question is where to start Python. So the first major website that you can learn Python is java.com. So the link is in the description, you can check and download. So what you have to do for learning Python from Java T-Point, just write Java T-Point Python in your Google browser. So the first link that will appear, learn Python tutorial, you can check it here. So the first page and the second page, the difference between Python 2 and Python 3, and some introduction, and in the next page some features about Python. And the best way is that in this website each and every function is defined perfectly. Like if you can check OOPS concept, every OOPS concept like class, object, method, inheritance, polymorphism, data abstraction, and encapsulation, all these are defined in a good way. So if you want to learn Python from online, you can check Java T-Point. It is the best method, it is the best way to learn Python from online. And the best part of this Java T-Point, if you learn GUI, so you can check the program of just creating a simple Tkinter screen. Tkinter is a module in Python that is used for GUI. So this is the simple program for creating a Tkinter file, Tkinter we can say Tkinter GUI. Okay, so in the Tkinter GUI you can check all these buttons, all these widgets like button, canvas, check button, entry frame, number, and each and every widget is explained in detail. If you click on Tkinter button, you can check that all the categories, all the options that you can use in button are easily available in this website. You can go and check it. It was the best website to learn Python. So if you want to learn Python, you can, and you are a beginner, you don't know about Python, what is Python, how to start Python, you can go and check this website. The link is in the description. So the another website is W3 School. It is also a good website for learning Python. The best way of using W3 School, you can test your program online, that you don't have to install Python. If you want to learn Python without installing, you can learn from W3 School. And this website is also provide an online IDE, so you can run your program here. Hello, like hello, how are you? So you can click on run and check. In this video it will print the output, and if we write here like 4 plus 5, you can check that it will print here. And it will also print error, like if you just choose 4 plus 5, 4 plus, you don't have to. So what was the output? The output doesn't show because it was an error. So it is also a best website. And the another best way for this, you can perform some activities here, like show answer, perform your exercise. You can do some exercise that are also available in this website. So this is also, W3 School is also a good website to learn Python. Again, this website is the description. Link is link of this website is in the description. And now we move on to the books. So if you want to learn Python from books, you don't need a website, or you want to learn Python offline. So there are 3 basic books that you can learn. The first book that I suggest you is Python for Beginner. So it is a book that you can learn Python in a 1 week. It will just provide some simple Python command, like how to write Python, how to write your first program, what are the syntax, what are the basic classes in Python, basic class in Python. So I suggest you this book for if you are really wants to learn Python, and if you are a beginner. So don't go anywhere, just the link is in the description of this book. Go and purchase this book from here. And the one great thing is also that this book is also available in ebook. You can go and check the Kindle edition. Okay, so the another book is Python Cookbook. So if you want to learn a medium based program, like if you want to do it masters in Python, so this is also a best book. You can in this book you will see the simple programs like print hello world to the high level program, like in the modules like pandas, numpy, TensorFlow. All the modules are described in this Python. And the Python is also available in Python 3, or the previous edition of this book is available in Python 2. And the last book that we are talking about, Python Cache 2nd edition. So it is a project based introduction programming book. Like you want to create some projects, using Python, and if you know some knowledge of you have some knowledge of Python, you can check this book, Python Cache course. It is also a good book. So and the best part is of this book is also that it is also available in ebook. You can go and check there. And if you are in India and if you wants to learn complete Python, so there is a book of Dr. R. Nageshwar Rao. So I personally recommend this book because I also learned programming from R. Nageshwar Rao. It have a complete core Python, from a simple program print hello world to a machine learning programming. So this book is also good to learn Python. And again, all the 4 book link is in the description. You can go and check there. So thank you guys, have a nice day. And if you want to learn web development, you can check in the description. There is a link in the description. And if you want some college projects like how to create Jarvis and some exam hall setting management, restaurant system, billing system, you can go and check in the description. So thank you guys, have a nice day, see you soon.